Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI, professional home barista that's constantly working on my skills. Thanks to this awesome distributor from MOJAE, my skill set just went up another notch. This distributor is made from a nice high quality walnut wood. I love the grain at the top. It looks rich and luxurious, but it's also practical because I can easily place it into my palm, enabling me to be able to give the perfect tamp on my espresso. On the bottom, there is a stainless steel feature. You can see that it makes that initial connection in the center, and then it has angled slopes. So once you press down into your espresso beans, you'll be able to give it a quick twist, making your espresso beans distribute perfectly. Using this makes such a big difference because you can put your espresso beans into your portafilter, but really that leaves so much room for that water to flow through. This tamps down perfectly so that you will get a great cup of espresso, perfect crema on the top, and a perfect flavor every time. I am in love with this distributor. It feels high quality. It's definitely made with a lot of thoughtfulness and great features. And if you're looking to add to your skill set at home, check out this distributor. You will be super happy and pleased with your next cup of espresso. But that's just my point of view.